In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal board using Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or a seasoned user, converting your board into a personal space is simple and quick. It's especially useful when you want a board that only you can access, perfect for keeping private tasks and projects organized. So, let's jump right into the process and transform your workflow. To start, you'll need to create your board as you normally would. On Monday.com, you have two main options. You can either build a board entirely from scratch, tailoring it exactly to your needs, or select one of the many available templates from the Templates Center. The templates offer a fantastic variety of pre-made structures, so if you're not sure where to begin, or if you're looking to save some time, perusing through these ready-made options can be really helpful. Once you have your board set up with all your columns, tasks, and initial details, it's time to move to the next step. Head over to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your gateway to additional settings for your board. Go ahead and click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options aimed at refining how your board operates. Click on Settings from this menu to open up more customization options for your board. Within the settings, you're going to locate an option labeled Change Board Type. Clicking on this will allow you to convert your current board format. Next, you'll see the choice to Change to Private. Select this option, and with just one more click, your board has successfully become a personal board. This means that only you will have access to it, ensuring all its contents remain completely private. And that's really all there is to it. It's a straightforward process, allowing you to maintain full control over your projects without sharing access or visibility with others. This feature is particularly useful when working on sensitive projects or when needing a secure space to experiment with ideas before making them public to your team. Remember, privacy is key sometimes, and Monday.com offers this private board feature to support that need effectively. If you need any more tips about using Monday.com or any other features you'd like to explore, feel free to stick around. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your projects.